Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you on how we select autonomous data warehouse name service appropriately. As you know, when you connect to an Oracle database, you usually select the service name question. What is kind of the connection, and Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse provides you three service. So when you connect to Autonomous Data Warehouse, you are required to select a service. When you connect to the database, the service names are in a format database name underscore high, or database name underscore medium, or database name underscore cloud. So what the difference between the three services? These services are mapped to low, medium, and high consumer groups. For example, if you provision an autonomous data warehouse service with the name ADW1, your service names are ADW1 high, ADW1 medium, or ADW1 low. So the basic characteristic uh, you can see here with the high mode, high service, high resource, low with concurrency, and queries run in a parallel. Medium service, less resources, higher concurrency, and queries run in a parallel. In low service, least resource, highest concurrency, and queries run in serially. So, so in high service, the high database service provides the highest level of resource to each SQL statement, resulting in the highest performance, but supports the fewest number of concurrent SQL statements. Any SQL statement in this service can use all the CPU and I/O resources in your database. The number of concurrent SQL statements that can be run in this service is only 3. This number is independent of the number of OCPU in your database. So it means that if you provision your database with 3 OCPU or 6 OCPU or 16 OCPU, the number of SQL statements just maximum 3. In medium service name, the medium database service provides a lower level of resources to each SQL statement, potentially resulting in a lower of performance, but support more concurrent SQL statements. Any SQL statement in this service can use multiple CPU and I/O resources in your database. The number of concurrent SQL statements that can be run in this service depends on the number of CPU in your database. So it means that you can see in a formula, if you provision your database with 3 OCPU, the maximum number of query SQL statement will be 1.25 multiple 3. Maximum of number of SQL statement will be 5. In load services, the load database service provides the least level of resources to each SQL statement, but supports the most number of concurrent SQL statements. Any SQL statement in this service can use a single CPU and multiple I/O resources in your database. The number of concurrent SQL statements that can be run in this service can be up to 300 times the number of OCPUs. So you can see the formula here, 300 times multiple OCPU. So for example, if provision your database with 3 OCPU, the maximum of numbers SQL statement in low service will be 900 SQL statements. So that's the basic characteristic and what difference between high service, medium service, and low service in AW. And now I would like to share my experience um, that I deliver the project to the customer. They revision the IDW with the three CPU and OAC to connect IDW for reporting. At the beginning of this project, we actually we don't know exactly the number of busy user use the system, so we start the service and connection with the medium service. And right now we have a performance issue when more than 200 busy user access the system at the same time. In January, the architecture in the every morning we extract data and loading proceeding using the ODW platform into the ADW. And after 3 a.m., business user from the customer side will access the OEC to view and query data, also analyze data as well. Um, and at the beginning of the check, we start the service and connect to AW with the medium service name. So it means that at the same time, the system only allow maximum 5 SQL statements to run. So it means that right now, with more than 200 users access the system, we had a performance issue. To fix the issue, we change the connection to the low service. So so after that, the system allow to run 900 SQL statements at the same time. That we can serve more than 200 business user. So the question here when we select the high or medium or low service name based on my experience and the project we deliver to customer. I just recommend in part my view in case using a high service name, if you need to process a large data set, you need to execute the insert, update, delete the SQL statement in the ETL system. And with the medium, maybe just a default option. You can stack if you stack the at the beginning of this project or any service, you can start with medium, and then you need to monitor the system and understand the situation. If you need the highest performance or if you need the highest concurrency, and then we switch the service name to high service name or low service name. Okay, and with low service name, we should use this service name if your system require uh, more and higher concurrency. It means there's a lot users select data at the same time for review data or query data or something like that. Okay, so I would like to show the result after we change the service name in the customer side. So you can see the comparison between low and medium service name. In medium service name, before we change to low service name, you see there are lots of activity need to wait because in the medium service name, the system just only maximum 5 SQL statement at the same time. And then we change the service name to low, so and you see there are no wait activity in the system. And even though when we compare the different metrics, you can see CPU statistic and wait time statistic change a lot. And you can see a lot profile here. A number of queue statement is the curved line. After 1 p.m. We change to low. You see actually there were no queue statement and no waste activities. Okay, I just quick say a summary. Quick share the aspirant that how we select a deputy civic name, and hopefully the video will help you to select the correct civic name in your project and in customer side. Thank you very much.